Hi there, students. In this video I want to look at the verb to loathe and the adjective loath. The difference is the E and the meaning is not quite the same. Let's see. Loathing, an adjective. Loathly, an adverb. And I guess loathingly as well. Okay, to loathe is to hate, to detest, to abominate. So I loathe people who are dishonest and lie. And then loath, normally to be loath to do something. I'm not keen on doing this. I am loath to do it. Unwilling, I'm reluctant, I'm disinclined to do it. So I'm loath to go into the office today on Saturday morning, but it's something I've got to do. Okay? If you are loath to do something, you feel loathsome about it. You don't really want to do it. You're not motivated to do it. Yeah? So I was loath to make him pay for it, but I needed the money. Whereas to loathe doing something, loathe plus ing. So I loathe washing the dishes. Yeah, she loathes his sexist attitude. Yeah, and so is to hate, to detest, to think that something is absolutely disgusting. Yeah, to abominate, to hate totally. So the sisters loathed each other. The boy loathed doing homework. He loathes blood sports. Whereas loath to do something, unwilling to do something. I'm loath to spend all my money on this. Yeah, I don't really want to do it. I was loath to admit it, but there was no other option. I was reluctant. I was unwilling. Yeah, I was loath to go to the party because I loathe some of the people who are going to be present. So I was loath to go. I didn't really want to go because I loathe, I hate, I detest some of the people there. Okay, so I was loath to get out of bed because I was warm and comfortable. Yeah, but I loathe getting out of bed early. I hate it. Yeah, I despise it. I abominate it. Okay, so to be loath to do something. Yeah, to do to not be very happy to do something which is against your way of seeing things. I was very loath to admit that I had made a mistake. I was unwilling to do it. Yeah, he loathes admitting that he's made a mistake, so he absolutely hates it, he detests it. So you see, these two verbs are very close. To loathe, to dislike a lot, to feel disgust, to detest, to feel intolerance towards something. Yeah, so I was loath to go swimming because the water was really cold. Yeah, whereas maybe cats loathe the idea of swimming. Okay, so they're clearly very different. Now let's look at formality. I think loath to do something, this sounds a little bit formal, a little bit literary. I think I'm going to give it 6.5 in formality. I think informally I'd use the word unwilling. You'd loath to do something in a semi-formal speaking writing or a formal writing. Whereas loathe, the verb to hate, I would give it a 5 in formality and use it absolutely anywhere. Yeah, notice loathe is an extreme. I absolutely loathe this. I utterly loathe this. I completely loathe this. Yeah? Okay? And then as to origin, well, both of the words come from the same root. Let's see, they come from Proto-Germanic lipaz, to be loath, yeah, to be sorry to do something, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European hate, to do something abhorrent, to do something hateful. So don't get the two mixed up. To be loath to do something, to be averse to do something, to not really want to do it. To loathe doing something, to absolutely detest and hate it. So, enough. I'm loath to finish the video, but maybe you will start loathing me if I go on too long. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Loath and loathe.